Sushma Alpati, Public Relation Officer of IPSF ASN Student Chapter. As a part of our IPSF ASN Student Chapter, we are organizing an awareness program in this National Nutrition Week. Now, I would like to introduce today's speaker, S. Alekya ma'am, who has done her post-graduation from Vishwabharati College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Guntur, and graduation from Wells College of Pharmacy, Chennai. Currently, she is working as an associate professor in ASN Pharmacy College in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry. Madam is having an overall experience of 7 years in teaching field, during which she has published 8 research papers. Now, I would like to ask S. Alekya ma'am to take over the presentation. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Alekya. I have completed my M.Pharmacy at Vishwabharati College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Guntur. I have 7 years of teaching experience. Now presently I am working as an assistant professor at ASN Pharmacy College. Today I am going to give a session on nutrition for health and wellness on the occasion of National Nutrition Week 2023. Nutrition for health and wellness. In India, every year we are celebrating National Nutrition Week in the first week of September, that is from 1st to 7th September. Coming to history, it was first started in 1975, the American Dietetic Association. Now the name has changed to Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. People liked this program at that time, so in 1980 the celebration was extended to whole month. In India, National Nutrition Week was first celebrated in 1982 when the concept was first introduced by the Food and Nutrition Board, which was later integrated into the Ministry of Women and Child Development. The main aim of establishing this National Nutrition Week is to create awareness among the people about the proper nutrition, balanced diet and importance of nutrition food and long-term benefits of the nutrition food. The theme of National Nutrition Week 2023 is Healthy Diet Going Affordable for All. Healthy diet is not reserved for few people. It is a fundamental right for everyone can take nutritional food. And it is a critical need to make nutritional food accessible to everyone. There is no economic state and social background. Before going into the nutrition, we must know about the food. Food means solid or liquid substances what we have taken when we are in hungry. Sometimes even we are not in hungry. Food contains nutrients, carbohydrates, lipids, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber. All these are the important nutrients in the food. Almost all foods have nutrients. Some foods have rich nutrients and some foods have less nutrients. It is not important, but the quantity of the nutrients is important to our body. If the nutrients are sufficient, our health is in our control and we maintain proper health. But the quantity of nutrients is not sufficient, we have to face some deficiencies, vitamin deficiencies, diseases or some disorders. Next. How to celebrate National Nutrition Week? There are several ways to celebrate National Nutrition Week. Next. Organize seminars. Host seminars or workshops to educate people about the importance of nutrition and its impact on health. They select the backward areas or slum areas to conduct or organize the seminars. Next, cooking demonstrations. Arrange some cooking sessions. How to cook nutritional meals. Health camps. Set up health camps by collaborating with the doctors and healthcare providers and offering free nutrition assessments, counselings and guidance to all peoples. Awareness walks. They organize awareness walks and runs to promote the significance of healthy eating habits and also physical activity. Nutritional challenges. They launch virtual nutritional competitions among the people and try new and healthy recipes and share their experiences. School activities. Schools can conduct interactive sessions on the importance of good nutrition, essays, debates, etc. Farmers markets. They collaborate with the local farmers to promote awareness on fresh fruits and vegetables. Community gardens. Initiate community gardens where people can grow their vegetables fostering a connection with nutritious food. Nowadays, terrace garden is most popular. Nutrition workshops, host workshops targeting specific groups like pregnant women, mothers, or elderly individuals addressing their unique nutritional needs. Interactive webinars, organize virtual webinars featuring nutrition experts, answering questions and providing practical advice. Distribute resources, distribute pamphlets, brochures, leaflets, and social media campaigns. They utilize YouTube, WhatsApp, next Instagram, Twitter. Collaborate with restaurants, partner with local restaurants to offer special health conscious menus or discounts throughout the week. Engage celebrities, collaborate with health conscious celebrities or influencers to spread awareness about National Nutrition Week. Health and fitness events, incorporate nutrition related sessions within health and fitness events to create a holistic approach to well-being. Importance of National Nutrition Week. The importance of National Nutrition Week cannot be overstated. It serves as a reminder to prioritize health and make informed food choices. In a world where fast food and unhealthy eating habits are prevalent, this week serves as a wake-up call to adopt a more conscious and mindful approach towards eating. In that first one is behavioral shift. National Nutrition Week triggers a positive mindset towards the healthy food habits and eating good nutritional food. Healthcare cost reduction. If we take nutritional food, it improves our immune system and decrease the risk of getting diseases. So automatically it reduces the healthcare cost. Educational awareness. It serves as an educational platform enlightening individuals about the direct link between nutrition and overall health. Collective responsibility. National Nutrition Week reinforces the nation that ensuring proper nutrition is a collective responsibility of society, government and individuals. Awareness. National Nutrition Week raises awareness about the importance of proper nutrition and its impact on overall health and well-being. Disease prevention. It highlights how a balanced diet can help prevent various chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart diseases and obesity. National nutritional food helps to decrease the corona also. Healthy lifestyle. The week encourages people to adopt healthier eating habits, leading to an improved quality of life and increased longevity. Children's health. Nowadays, even small childs also have specs. This is due to lack of nutrition food. It emphasizes the role of nutrition in the growth and development of children, ensuring a strong foundation for their future. Maternal health. National Nutrition Week sheds light on the significance of proper nutrition during pregnancy and lactation, benefiting both mothers and babies. Malnutrition awareness. It brings attention to the issue of malnutrition and undernutrition, especially among vulnerable population. Educational initiatives. It encourages educational institutions to integrate nutrition education into their curriculum, equipping students with lifelong healthy eating habits. Long-term impact. The awareness generated during National Nutrition Week has a lasting impact on individuals and communities, fostering sustained healthy habits. Preventing micronutrient deficiencies. It educates about the importance of consuming a variety of foods to prevent deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals. Empowerment. The week empowers individuals with the knowledge and tools to take control of their health through proper nutrition. Tips to improve nutrition. This is very important to match the calories what we intake and the calories what we expenditure. In money, earning is high and expenditure is low, but in health, earning and expenditure both are in equal. Start with meals based on high fiber. Next, include plenty of fruits, vegetables, that is in raw form, because raw foods contain high in nutrients. Processed foods like pizzas, burgers, they contain only low nutrients. Next, it's very important to take oily fish. Increase fish consumption, especially oily fish, because it very important for heart problems and brain development. It contains icosahexaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid amino acids. Try to have fish at least twice a week with 1 portion of oily fish. Reduce saturated fat and sugar intake. It's very important to avoid 5 white colored foods. What are the 5 means? Sugar, salt, all-purpose flour, milk, and rice. Don't skip breakfast. Having healthy, high fiber, low fat, low sugar and low salt breakfast is part of a balanced diet. It provides essential nutrients for good health. Almost all people know we have pharmacy at each street, but most of the people don't know we have pharmacy at every home and one nutritionist at every home. Pharmacy is our kitchen and nutritionist is our mother, because daily she gives kitchen items only for seasonal diseases like cough, cold, fever. Examples for fever, barley water is used to reduce the temperature. Next, for cough and cold, we use clove mixed with milk or pepper powder mixed with milk. For cold and asthma, we use mixed white pepper powder with honey and tulsi water. All these are kitchen items only. And next, in pharmacy, medicines decrease our immunity power, but these increases our immunity power because they contain high nutritional values. Woman assumes the role of the nutritionist within every household. If she is strong, she makes her family strong and total country increase the strength of the total country is in the hands of the woman. She possesses the ability to shape the future generation because she only has the power to create a new generation, and she is the primary caregiver and nurturer within the home. Thank you.